So let's see this question. Number of arrangement of n different objects taking r objects at a time when a particular object always comes in every arrangement. This is a very common type of situation. Sometimes what will happen, suppose just let's take some example. If I say few people is there whose name is the A, B, C, D, E, F. These are the humans. 6 people are there whose name are the A, B, C, D, E, F. And there are the 4 chairs. 4 places are there where they have to sit down. I have to do the arrangement. So what we'll do, we'll fill these places. So all of you know that at a once only 4 people can come. More than 4 cannot come. So 100% sure in any arrangement 2 people will be left it out. 6 people are there and place is the only 4. So 2 people should be surely will be left it out. Only 4 people can be sitting here. So we do different arrangement. We see that what is the possibility. There may be chance that A will come in some arrangement, A will not come in some arrangement, B will come in some arrangement, C will not come in some arrangement. Now imagine if I say how many such type of arrangement, no condition. So you say that is very simple, 6p4. 6p4, that will not be an issue. But if I say no, how many arrangement will be there so that A should be there in every arrangement. A should be there in every arrangement. Listen me carefully. I am not saying it should start with the A. If they say how many arrangement where it will start with the A, then it's a damn simple. First I will fix A here. So this can be filled by 1 way. This can be filled by 5 way, 4 way, 3 way. Yes or no? That is the proper restricted permutation. Because this time when I say that A should be there in every arrangement, I am not saying that it should start with the A. A may come in first place, may second, may third, may fourth, anywhere. So this is the restriction on a particular object, not on place. This is the restriction on a particular object, not on a place. When A has to come in every arrangement, what I will suggest, I will tell the A, go and take your chair. A has to come every time. I will say, go and take your chair. First I will send A. So that A surely will be there. A will come and he will see that there are 4 chairs. So A can be seated in how many ways? 4 ways. Yes or no? I don't know where A is sitting, but A is seated now. A is gone in the arrangement. Now I know that there are 3 places left and total 5 objects left. 3 places left, 5 objects left. And there is no condition for those 3 places and that 5 object. So I will say, and balance 3 places can be filled by 5p3a. Did you understand? Is it clear to everybody? This will be the answer. Same thing here. N objects are there. N objects are there. We have to arrange R objects when a particular object coming in every arrangement. Now you can tell easily your answers. That particular object, I will say, go and take your chair, take your place. So that particular object can be placed in how many ways? R ways. And balance how many places? R minus 1. Balance how many objects? N minus 1. No restriction, free arrangement, N minus 1, PR minus 1. Did you understand? So this will be answer, will be R into N minus 1, PR minus 1. Mention it. Will be, this complete this. I will tell you other method also, don't worry. But for time being, write it. Will be R into N minus 1, PR minus 1. This will be the answer. Is it clear? Now, can we do some other way? Yes. N objects are there, R places are there. N object is there, R places is there. Okay. One particular object should always come. First do free arrangement, NPR. In this, is that particular object, some arrangement will be there where that particular object will be also there. Yes or no? Or let me show by example so that you can easily understand here. Same example I am taking. 6 people whose name is A, C, D, E, F. A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. 4 places are there. I want that key A should come in every arrangement. I will say 6P4 is the arrangement in which A is there also, that case also is there, and that case is also included inside when A is not there. When A is not there. So what I will do? I will try to find out how many cases is there when the A will never come in the arrangement. Can you tell me the case when the A never come in the arrangement? How many way we can arrange so that A never come in arrangement? That will say 5P4. We already discussed this part. 5P4 is the way when the A never come. This is the case when two situation is there in this. A comes, A not come. If I remove A not come, 100% sure, this value will represent what? The number of arrangement where A is present. Could not understand? Understood everybody? So from here, NPR is the free arrangement minus that case when that particular object never come, that will be N minus 1 PR. N minus 1 PR. Did you understand? Is these two are different value? No, both are same thing. If both are same thing, so here we learn one identity for NPR, and that identity is this. NPR minus N minus 1 PR will be equal to this. That means NPR equal to, I can write N minus 1 PR plus R into N minus 1 PR minus 1. This is the one of the very important identity. So many times questions we use it. NPR always equal to N minus 1 PR plus R into N minus 1 PR minus 1. This identity you can prove it without, right now I prove by using purely logical mathematics. You can use analytical mathematics for solving for proving this guy. If you wanted to prove that without using logical mathematics, you can just expand right side, you will get the left hand side. Everybody expand, see you are getting or not. Right side, N minus 1 factorial divided by N minus R minus 1 factorial plus R into N minus 1 factorial divided by N minus 1 minus R plus 1 means N minus R factorial. So, from here I can take N minus 1 factorial by N minus R minus 1 factorial out. So, 1 plus, look at this is gone. N minus R I can write N minus R into N minus R minus 1 factorial. Because x factorial I can write x into x minus 1 factorial. So, N minus R factorial I can write as N minus R into N minus R minus 1 factorial. N minus R minus 1 factorial already gone outside. So, R by N minus R will left. This, if you take LCM, R will be N by, so this is going to be N into N minus 1 factorial by N minus R into N minus R minus 1 factorial. And this value, numerator will become simply N factorial and denominator will become simply N minus R factorial. And that is nothing but NPR. Generally, this proof is required if any student is doing in a school exam and all question is coming. This is a very common in school exam. This question they used to ask. Prove that this equal to this. So we should do this way. Otherwise, any NPR NCR formula or property can be proved by using logical mathematics without writing single steps. If properly you apply the steps. I'm sure it's clear to all of you. Can I go ahead? Okay. So number of arrangement, this is a restricted we discuss. Now, next, right here, 6th one. number of arrangement of n identical objects taking all the objects at a time. You can answer. Will be A. 4A is there. All 4 I want to arrange. In how many way we can arrange? Only one way. By arrangement means what? Interchanging of the objects. If there are 4A is there, if you interchange this A with this A, is there any new look is coming? No. That will be same look only. So it will be only one way. Will be 1. Number of arrangement of n identical objects taking r objects at a time. Use logic. Tell me answer. Will be. Just take example. Whenever you get confusion, take example and think and let me know. What is the answer? Nobody able to think. Suppose there are 6A letter are there. I want to arrange 4 letter. In how many way we can arrange? This place I can fill by how many way? One way. Anyone you are putting there, no change. This place I can fill by how many way? One way. This place also I can fill by one way. This place also I can fill by one way. This place also can be filled by one way. Not able to understand. Are you able to understand? If you put A, which A you are putting doesn't matter. If one is A, B, C, D, E, F is there, then we say 6 way. Why? Because A can come, or B can come, or 2, C can come, so 6 way. But here A can come, or A can come, or you will not speak like this, A can come, or A can come, or A can come, or the meaning is this simple, only one way you can fill it. So this place can be filled by one way, this also can be filled by one way, this also can be filled by one way, means will be 1. Means number of identical object arrangement will be 1 always. Either you are arranging all the objects or you are arranging only few objects. Is it clear to everybody? Will be 1. Next one. Number of arrangement of n identical objects taking at least one object at a time. This is a good question. Answer me, everybody, if you can. Number of arrangement of n identical object taking at least one object at a time. Means either one object you have to arrange, or 2 objects you have to arrange, or 3 objects you have to arrange, like that. चलिए, I'll do it. First, pass as a statement. Think as a statement. Number of arrangement of n identical objects, taking at least one object at a time. I will say arrangement of one object, or means plus. Arrangement of two objects, or arrangement of three objects. Are you getting my point? Speak. Up to where it can go? Up to n objects. Arrangement of n object. Now think, arrangement of one object. In how many ways you can arrange one object out of n identical? One way. Before this I told you. Plus arrangement of two objects. In how many ways you can arrange two objects out of an identical object? One way. Plus 1, how many times? This will go up to n times. So answer will be what? N. Will be n. Will be n. Will be n. Not able to understand. Are you able to understand, everybody? If I ask you A, in how many ways we can arrange at least, we can make at least one letter word. At least one letter word. So you say, I have to arrange either one letter, or two letter, or three letter, or four letter, or five letter, or six letter. In how many ways I can arrange one letter? One way. Two letter, one way. Three letter, one way. Like this, how many times? 6 times. The answer will be what? 6. Did you understand? Is it clear to everybody? But if it's different, if all are different, then suppose A, B, C, D, E, F, kitne hue? 6. In how many ways I can arrange at least one letter? You can answer it. In how many ways I can arrange at least one letter? So arrangement of one letter 6P1, or arrangement of two letters 6P2, or arrangement of three letters 6P3. Yes or no? So on 6P6. Did not understand anything. Everybody understood this point? If I say, in how many ways I can arrange at least one letter out of this, if repetition allowed. If repetition allowed. So one letter we can arrange by 6 way only, no other option. One letter we can arrange by 6 way. Or two letter. Think, 2 place I have to fill. 2 place, 6 way, 6 way. 6 is square. 3 letter, 6 cube. Because repetition allowed. 4 letter, 6 power 4. 5 letter, 6 power 5. 6 letter, 6 power 6. This will be answer. Have you understand the point? If all are different, all are identical, 1 plus 1 plus 1, 6 times. All are different. I will say 6P1 or plus 6P2, 6P3, so on, 6P6. All are different, but repetition allowed. So one object we can arrange by 6 way, two object we can arrange 6 into 6, 6 square, three object we can arrange 6 into 6 into 6, 6 cube, and so on, 6 power 6. I'm sure it's clear to all of you. Chali, let's move further. Next one. Number of arrangement of P plus Q plus R plus, number of arrangement of N1 plus N2 plus N3 plus so on Nm plus capital N objects, taking all the objects at a time, all the objects at a time. Where? Meaning, try to understand. Where N1 is first kind of identical objects. First kind of identical objects. Identical objects. N2 means second kind of identical, means N2 number of identical objects are there, but they are different identical objects. N3 third kind of identical object, so on, so on. Capital N is different objects. First, let me explain this by the different example. After that, I will come back to this point. All of you wrote this? Answer we'll write later. Let's understand. Again, I am telling, I am not teaching you any formula. This is not formulas. These are the different cases which can be happen. Now, case is this. Suppose you are having the letter AA, BBB, CCCC, DEFG. So what do you say? I am having, this is also identical. This is also identical, but this identical is different from this identical. So in place of writing this, in P&C language, we write this way. I am having 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4 objects. I am having 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4 object, where these two are the first kind of identical object, these 3 are the second kind of identical object, this 4 is the third kind of identical object, and these 4 are different objects. Did you understand the point? Is it clear the meaning? Now listen. Please concentrate. Suppose if I say, in how many ways I can arrange this taking all at a time? This ABC. What do you say? Very simple. 6 way. By 3 object, all object, if n different object are there, taking all at a time, if you have to arrange it, you will say n factorial. 6 way. Otherwise, basic way you can do, this place can be filled by 3 way, this place can be filled by 2 way, this place can be filled by 1 way, it will come 6 way. In fact, 6 way, how it used to come? If manually try to understand what exactly happening inside the story is what, then you will say that 6 way come by interchanging the object. Arrangement is nothing but the interchanging the objects. Means the new arrangement, next arrangement will be ACB. What you did? You interchange B and C. Not able to understand. Are you able to understand? By arrangement means what? Interchange the object. That manually we don't do because it's painful. That's why we draw the places and fill the object. But in fact, inside what happening, it's interchanging. We are interchanging the position. Next we get B, A, C. What you did? A and B you interchange here. Next you will do B, C, A. What you did? A and C you interchange. Next you will do C, A, B. Next you will do C, B, A. This is the total interchanging can be taken place. So total 6 way will come. Everybody understood? Now imagine. A1, A2 and B. A1, A2 and B. If I ask you, can we do manually? Yes. What I will do? A1, B, A2. Next, A2, A1, B. Next, A2, B, A1. Are you able to understand? Next, B, A1, A2. Next, B, A2, A1. Hello, Are you able to understand? Think what I did. All are different arrangement or not? Yes, all are different arrangement. Now suddenly somebody came and they removed this superscript. Now they become same letter, identical object. Now see ABA, AAB, okay, they are, but this I will not consider. Why? Because you are getting same thing. Because this you got it by interchanging A1, A2. Now A1, A2 become identical, so that interchanging will become false arrangement. Yes or no? Then again, this I will not consider. Because this I got it, in this I interchange A1 and A2. That's why I got this. So that also become false. BAA, yes, this I will take. But this BAA I will not take. Have you understand the point? What I will do, what I did, first I assume they are different, I arrange it, and after that whatever the identical false arrangement is there, that I removed. This is the logic, why I am spending this much time on this, because this is the main important point of P&C. Permutation combination, maximum question generate on this. And it has to be done by basic logic. Think, I have to arrange all these objects taking all at a time. Can I say answer will be 2 plus 3, 4, 5, 4, 9 plus 4, 13. Can I say 13 factorial? No. 13 factorial I can say only when all are different objects. All are different objects. Okay. I am assuming all are different. Then what will be answer? 100% 13 factorial will be answer. In this answer, that case is also included when A and A interchange. Are you getting my point? When A and A interchange, that case is included. A and A can interchange in how many way? 2 factorial way. That I don't want. Divided by 2 factorial. In this, that case also included when B and B, all three B interchange. All three B interchange in how many way? If they are different, 3 factorial. If they are different, they can interchange themselves in how many way? 3 factorial. That is included inside this, remove it. This arrangement also, remove it. But this arrangement don't remove, because they are interchanging allowed. This will be answer. Did not understand. Is it clear to everybody? First assume all are different. We did arrangement divided by internal arrangement of all identical objects. A and A should not do internal arrangement, so I divided by 2 factorial. You may ask, sir, why you divided, why not subtracted? Because this is the internal arrangement. It's not full arrangement. Have you understand the point? But I did not divide when A and B interchange. A and B interchanging allowed. Only between B and B not allowed. So B, if I ask B, all three can interchange themselves in how many way? I will say 3 factorial way. And all are false, because if you interchange, you will not get a new different look. So that's why I divided. Here also I divided. Did you understand the point? Is it clear to everybody? Suppose somebody say, in how many way we can arrange the letters of the IIT JEE? This is the mixed object. First assume all are different. So how many letters? 6 factorial divided by false arrangement. When will happen? When I and I will do internal arrangement. When E and E will do internal arrangement. Finish. This is the answer. Nobody understood. Is it clear to everybody? This is, I am showing that key, whenever internal arrangement is not allowed, divide it. That's simple things I am telling. Right. So here, you can speak the answer. We have to arrange these objects. Will be, speak out. First assume all are different. So n1 plus n2 plus n3 plus so on nm plus capital N whole factorial. I know this is the wrong answer. Divided by those cases when the internal arrangement is not allowed. Whose internal arrangement is not allowed? N1 internal arrangement is not allowed because this is identical object. N1 factorial into N2 factorial into N3 factorial so on Nm factorial. I am sure he able to understand all of you. Okay. Before going to the next point, I want that some questions you should do on this pattern so that you can get comfortable. Simple question, not at all. Arrange the letter of the mathematics. Arrange the letters of the mathematics. You can leave the answer in term of factorial. No need of calculating factorial value. So mathematics. First thing, all identical keep together m and m. Then a 2 time. Then t 2 time. Then nothing. E is also 2 time? No. H, E, I, C, S. These are the things. So total number of letters are what? 2 plus 2 plus 6. 6 plus 5. 11. Am I right? 11 factorial. Divided by 2 factorial into 2 factorial into 2 factorial. This will be answer. I'm sure all of you got it. Next, write a question. In a seminar, 10 people, P1, P2, P3, so on, P10, have to give a speech one by one. One by one means all 10 has to give the speech. In how many ways they can speech? In how many ways they can deliver the speech? If P1 should speak, P1 should speak before P2 and P2 should before P3. Did you understand the point? In the question, I am not saying कि speak will start by P1. Maybe P10 can start the speech. Maybe P7 can start the speech. But one thing is very sure कि P2 should speak after P1 and P3 should speak after P2. Not immediately. Maybe first P10, then P1, then P7, then P6, then P2. Are you getting my point? Question meaning able to understand? So in how many ways they can speak? Answer, tell me. Check it here. Suppose if I ask you no condition, in how many ways they can give the speech? No condition. Simply. Whoever can start, whoever cannot start. At least that answer you can tell to me. What will be answer? Speak, bhai. That orally you can give the answer. In how many ways they can deliver the speech? Ten factorial. What happened? That will be simply 10 factorial. We have to arrange these 10 people, na? P1, P2, P3, P4 till P10. 10 people we have to arrange. In how many ways we can arrange? 10 factorial. Yes or no? Now I want that key P1, P2, P3. They should always come in this order. Order should be maintained. Order maintained means what? Interchanging of these objects not allowed. Interchanging of these objects not allowed. In between somebody can come, no problem. But P2 should not go before P1, P2. Right? P2 will go before P1 when you will interchange this position. Then only it will happen. So 100% sure their internal arrangement not allowed divided by 3 factorial. Whoever order is not going to change, assume them as identical objects. Whoever order is not going to change, assume them as identical objects. Did you understand, everybody, this point? All of you are responding very poor. Very, very poor. Listen me. If I write a letter, word, some word, maybe let's take at a, what word I should take? Having different letters. All are different letter. Yes, all are different. In how many ways we can arrange the letters of the coming? Speak out. 6 factorial. Yes or no? If I say, in how many ways I can arrange the letters of the word coming so that vowel should not change its order. Vowel should not change its order. Means O is before I. So O should be before I always. Am I right or not? Order of the vowel should not change. So what do you say? 6 factorial by O and I will consider as an identical object divided by 2 factorial. Could not understand. Anybody who did not understand? Is it clear to everybody? If I say neither vowel nor consonant, no one should change its order. Neither vowel nor consonant Means vowel and consonant can change, but consonant cannot change. Vowel cannot change. I will say then C, M, I, N, G. That should be also considered an identical object divided by 4 into 5 factorial. This is, sir, why not 1 is coming? Why not 6 factorial? C and O can interchange. O and M can interchange. M and I can interchange, but C and M cannot interchange. Because order of the consonant should also not change. Is this clear? There is the segment. This segment, all of you are having difficulty. No problem. We'll do questions. Chaliye, next. 10th one. Number of arrangement of n different objects if m number of particular objects always comes together m number of particular object always comes together. Let me show you example and then only you will be able to do. Suppose if I want to arrange the letters of the coming. I want to arrange the letters of the coming in such a way that vowel should be always together. Question meaning able to understand all of you? How many vowel are there? 2 vowel. O and I. They should be always together. Think carefully. This kind of the questions is called as the means objects are coming together. Whenever 2 or more than 2 objects are coming together, make them as a single object. What I will do, I will write this letter properly. C, O, I, M, N, vowel separate. O, I, balance C, M, N, G. What I will do, this I will keep inside a box. This together. Understand? And now I will say that this I am having total 5 objects. 1, 2, 3, 4 and this box is single object. Not able to understand. Whoever want to come together, take them out. Balance whatever. This take them out and keep inside a box and consider them as a single object. If you consider them as a single object, when the interchanging will take place, this single object will move here and there. So these 2 people will be always together. Yes or no? Now in how many ways you can arrange it? I will say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 object total, 5 factorial. Arey, did you understand? So what happened? This is always coming together. But what? O and I also can interchange themselves inside the box. In internal arrangement. In how many ways they can do internal arrangement? 2 factorial into 2 factorial. That's all. Finish. Is this clear to everybody? I will show you some more example. Suppose if I say A, B, C, D, E, I, O, T, U. In how many ways we can arrange so that vowel should be always together. So what I will do, first without vowel, all vowel I will keep on one side a box. A, then E, then I, then O, then U, Yes. And balance whatever left. B, C, D, B, C, D, T, B, C, D, T. Now this is inside a box. It's a single object. How many objects now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes or no? 5 factorial. Now vowels are together. But inside the box, vowel can do interchanging. In how many ways they can do interchanging? 5 factorial. This will be answer. Could not understand. Is it clear to everybody? Suppose if I say, in how many ways I can arrange 5 girls and 4 boys in a row so that all the girls are always together. So that all the girls are always together. Oral answer, tell me answer. All the girls are always together. Speak out, everybody, answer. All the girls are always together. All the girls are always together. Speak out the answer. Are girls? Put inside them in the box. All the girls. And B1, B2, B3, B4. 4 boys are there. The total how many objects? 5 objects, 5 factorial. Into internal arrangement of all the girls, that will become 5 factorial. Answer finish. I hope it's clear to all of you. This will be the answer. If I say in how many ways I can arrange 5 boys and 5 girls so that boys should be always together as well as girls should be always together. Means boys should be also keep inside the box and girls should be also keep inside the different box. So only 2 box will be, 2 object will be there. So that can be 2 factorial into internal arrangement of the girls as well as the boys. So internal arrangement of the girls is the 5 factorial and boys internal arrangement 4 factorial. That will be answer. I am 100% sure it's clear to all of you. Right? So coming back to our point. Number of arrangement of n different object, m number of particular object always comes together. So first take out m object. How many object left? N minus m object. Plus 1. Why plus 1? Because whatever m number came out, they came inside the box. And the box has a 1 object. This factorial into internal arrangement of the inside the box people m factorial. This will be answer. I hope it's clear to all of you. So one more lecture I will take up for doing theory, means the cases. Once case is done, then only I will be starting problem. Here mean problem solving. Until unless I will not solve problem, you will not able to do the questions, because problem solving together we have to do the problem. But first I just wanted to give you idea about these many cases can be happen. Whatever the cases I am giving, this is the total number of cases will be possible. Beyond this is not possible. So out of them, any one of the case will come. We'll discuss that. But today onwards, I am giving some homework to all of you. You have to take a screenshot and please take the snapshot. And I want the answer, only answer, not solution. Answer with the same question number. With the same question number, you have to send in the WhatsApp today. Under any circumstances, every question, simple, just simple, basics, so that you can just revise what I taught today. All of you taken a snapshot? Is it done? Okay. So we'll continue in the next lecture. By next lecture, your PNC cases will get over. So 1-2 lecture I will take for discussion, and after that we'll start for the combination. You have to do permutation, combination and distribution. So 3 segment is there. We are doing the permutation will take time. That's the required time, because there is a logical, all the cases you have to understand. Right? Thank you very much. See you in the next class.